Have you ever deleted a tool or an effect and suddenly thought, wait, where did it go? Don't panic, I've got you. What's up everyone? Welcome to Video Tools Lab. Let's fix this real quick. Maybe you removed a tool on purpose, or maybe it was a total accident. Either way, if you need it back, you're in the right place. In Camtasia, there are 6 main tool categories where this can happen: Annotations, Visual Effects, Behaviors, Cursor Effects, Audio Effects, and Captions. Here's the best part. Getting them back is super easy. Just open the category where the tool was removed, right-click in the empty space, and choose Restore All Default Behaviors, Audio Effects, Visual Effects, or the option that matches what you deleted. And boom! Just like that, your tools are back and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe. More awesome videos are coming your way. Bye!